Einstein. Touch and feel farm animals. Who do you see on the farm? I see a sheep. Ba, ba, the sheep calls out. She says hello in her own way. What a fluffy, woolly sheep. Let's feel her fleece today. Who do you see on the farm? I see a cow. The cow is calling moo, moo. I think she wants to play. What a gentle, happy cow. May we feel your nose today? Who do you see on the farm? I see a goat. Crunch, crunch, munch, munch. The goat loves to eat his hay. This billy goat's a silly goat. May we feel your beard today?
Beard, not bud. Beard, not bud. Beard, not bud. Beard.
Who do you see on the farm? I see a rooster. The rooster struts around the farm. He puts on quite a display. Cock-a-doodle-doo, he shouts. Let's feel his comb today. Who do you see on the farm? I see a horse. Clip, clop, clippity-clop, trotting here from far away. The horse came up to say hello. May we feel your mane today? The end.